A lot of room for improvement.
Well, children in Kern County are in the bottom third in California when it comes to children attending preschool, reading at grade level, and access to health care. 23 ABC's Carlos Correa reports work to improve those numbers is already occurring.
The scorecard is out, and it's helping several organizations plan out the future.
There's so many different ways to try and approach this, from family intervention, medical intervention, education, the cost of healthier foods.
The report released by Children Now finds the well-being of kids in Kern County improving in a majority of areas, from meeting or exceeding state standards in math to having adult supervision after school. But the trend is getting worse in categories such as eligible students who eat free or reduced price meals during the summer and kids who are in a healthy weight zone.
We're seeing more and more kids who are obese or in danger of becoming obese in this county, and it's a trend that many of us have noticed for a long time.
Although trends in some areas are getting worse, others stay the same as they did last year. Now area service providers plan to work together to improve those numbers. First 5 Kern is one of the groups making services available to families in rural Kern County.
Kern County is kind of large geographically, and so you have outlying areas where services are very hard to come by, and a lot of times families are faced with having to travel into Bakersfield. So one of the things that we do is we bring those services out to them so that they have access to them and kind of take the transportation thing out of play.
The organization publishes its own findings every year, and they say the results are similar.
There's always room for improvement, and that's what First 5 is about, specifically reaching out to our children prenatal to 5, because as you know, those first 5 years are incredibly important and very.
In Bakersfield, Carlos Correa, 23 ABC.
And hospitals here in Kern are working on a similar report that they say is set for release in the next few months. It will show the biggest needs in our area and how services can be improved. You can find a link to the Children Now report on our website, turnto23.com.